the other day, Sarah and I were able to make these beautiful orecchiette. They have dried out. And now we're gonna make a nice plate of pasta with some cherry tomatoes, garlic, some cayenne pepper. Here we have some ricotta, parmigiano reggiano, and some fresh basil. Let's get started. We're gonna get a few basil leaves that we just picked in the garden. And we're gonna place them right here. And kind of roll them up, kind of like in a cigar type shape. And then we're just going to cut some ribbons, which we will mix with the tomatoes. We'll set these aside, and then over here we're going to get one of these peppers. Just make sure not to touch your eyes afterwards. And even these we're going to cut into some thin rondelles. Don't like the heat, you can totally omit this. You could even use some black pepper instead. Over here we're going to get the garlic, and we're going to use it in camicia. With my knife I'm just going to crush them, because we are going to leave the skin on, and put it right in there with the cherry tomatoes, just like so. Now you can either use a baking sheet, or in this case today we are going to use this frying pan by Pinto Legnelli. Our pan has preheated. We're going to put a generous drizzle of olive oil in there. To this, we will add the tomatoes, some of the basil leaves, the garlic in camicia, the garlic with the shirt on, and some of these hot pepper sections. Now we're going to stir everything up, add some salt, and in the oven it goes. Our gas oven has been preheating. Now we're going to put our cherry tomatoes inside, cover with the door, and allow the oven to do its magic. Peek inside and give them a nice little shake and put them back in. They really need to be kind of separated from each other. The water is boiling, it's salted already, and our orecchiette are going in. We'll give them a quick stir. I believe our tomatoes are done, and oh yes, look at this, that reduction in the bottom, the caramelization, and the aroma coming out of here is amazing. Our orecchiette are ready. Ooh, look at it, beautiful. We'll place them right inside with the tomatoes. All these ingredients together, and just a little cooking water to allow all the flavors to marry, and we are ready to serve. Let's put a drizzle of olive oil on top as well. It is now time to serve our orecchiette, and on top we will also add a few dollops of ricotta, a little bit more of olive oil, and we'll top everything off with some parmigiano reggiano. Oh, look at this. This is going to be so good. And also maybe 2 leaves of basilico. And here I'm going to get to try it. I'm going to get a little bit of this ricotta, the tomatoes, and some of these beautiful orecchiette, and I'm going to tell you buon appetito.